Y'all, I got purple hair. It's ℕ𝔼𝕎 here, and on this channel we come to encourage, enlighten, and inspire. And on this video, I'm going to be showing you how I got these beautiful waist-length ombre box braids. So if you're ready for it, stay tuned. So I'm going to be starting off with washed, conditioned, detangled, and blow-dried hair. I just twisted it and sectioned it off to make the process a lot easier. So I got the ℕ𝔼𝕎 Premium African Braid 54-inch pre-stretched hair in the color number 1 in 2 packs and the color ombre purple in 11 packs. So in total, I got 13 packs of hair just because I'd rather be safe than sorry. And the only beauty spot store was an hour away, and I will not drive out to get more. I'm going to start off with a part in the back. I want like medium-sized braids, not too big and not too small. So I'm just going to section off a piece of hair from the braiding pack and like make it into 3 sections, and then break down my hair into 3 separate parts, and then attach the braiding hair to my hair. And then I'm just gonna get in, honey. Start the braid off, and then once I reach like an adequate length of braiding hair like to my scalp, then I'm going to like rotate my hands and then start braiding my hair down as normally as I would. And you can do it whichever way feels comfortable for you, overhand or underhand. And I think I do the underhand method. Actually, I don't know, so let me stop talking. And now I'm about to be done with my first braid. I got one down. Don't even know how many more to go. About to be a long process, but I'm gonna stop talking and let you watch the video. All right, y'all, now that I'm finally finished, I am going to dip my ends in hot boiling water. So you want to make sure that your water actually comes to a boil, and you need to make sure you have a large towel, like either like a really big dry towel that you dry your body with, or like a beach towel, just something that, you know, can wrap around your shoulder, and then get the entire length of the hair and dry it out. And be careful when you are doing this step, y'all, because the steam will get you, honey. The steam will burn the mess out of your scalp and out of your hands, not even the water. So be careful of that steam when you are over the hot pot and washing everything out. And once you're done, just make sure you dry it off. It's probably still going to drip just a little bit because it takes forever for braids to dry. So don't worry about that. And then go ahead, clip the ends, put a little bit of mousse on there to keep them flyaways nice and tamed, and you are done. So that's a wrap. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. You learned a little something, even though this is not, I repeat, not a tutorial. I hope that you guys got a little inspiration about how I did my purple ombre waist length box braids. I really do like them. The purple is like a pretty color. It's not too vibrant, but you can tell that it's there. I'll probably keep these in for about a month and a half. I don't know if I already said this, but 5.5 hours, 11 packs of hair. I am a pre-stretched hair believer. I will never go back to the other hair because this is so much easier, makes the process so much faster, and I don't have to stress or worry about adding that extra time to, you know, cut the hair up and then sit there and stretch everything out. You just save yourself so much more time. So I hope that you guys try the style out, and if you do, message me on Instagram or on Snapchat because I want to see what yours looks like. But I hope you're having a great day, and I will see you in my next video.